What's up, Fit Gamers? Joey B /3 here. You like that slash with the elbow? Elbows can slash. Back again with a Fit Gamer fight move straight from Mortal Kombat 9, the reboot. We're looking at Kung Lao again. He's got this awesome combo with the chain punch. So let's get right down to it and see what he's got. All right, so you've seen there from the gameplay footage, he gets in a low Shaolin monk stance here. From this position, he's gonna go with a rear open hand strike. This can be a palm strike, striking with the palm, or we can use the edge of the hand there to strike towards the face. We're gonna go to a low lead hand punch, boom, straight to the solar plexus or the abdomen area right there. From here, he's gonna take a shuffle step forward. As he shuffle steps forward, he's gonna throw the chain punch. 4 punches in a row really fast. So he goes 1, 2, 3, 4. After that chain punch, he's gonna pivot all the way through and put his whole body into this power shot, knocking the opponent across the screen. Bam! With a punch, grounding yourself in a low position and torquing that body to get full power with that shot straight to the abdomen area. So I brought in JJ here to help me out. We're going to use this focus mitt drill to work this 7-hit combo. From the first position, there's no footwork. We're in the low stance here, right? JJ's going to hold up the right pad for my right-handed strike, open hand strike, straight to the high line there. And he's gonna have the left pad for my low strike straight to the body, boom, right? That's gonna be a punch. From here, we're gonna shuffle on in and do our chain punch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strikes. He's gonna move back, hold the pad out to his side, so then I can pivot forward and give him my power shot all the way through. Boom, right? And when I hit this, I wanna make sure that my wrist is nice and straight. I don't want to have it bent up or bent down or to the side. We want to make sure that we keep our elbow slightly bent, and we want to make sure that our wrist is nice and straight as we go through that shot. For a variation for that finishing strike in the gameplay, you see Kung Lao grab his hat and then slice down on a downward angle. So for that variation, JJ's just going to hold the pad out for me to hit on a downward angle. And we're going to hit with the edge of our hand right here in the wrist area. So I bring it up and then I come down for a power strike right down onto that pad. So a few things I really like about this 7-hit combo from Kung Lao is that chain punch. You see this a lot in Wing Chun Kung Fu, and basically you're rolling your fist over right on center line and you're just maximizing your rapid punches here straight on center line. When we practice this, you can just practice on pads. Over time, you work on speed. But at first you gotta get the motion down and make sure that you're not hitting yourself in the face and things like that. But once you start speeding it up a little bit, it can be really fun and a great workout for your arms. I'm getting sweaty already. And then what I really like is that variation where he takes his head off and comes down on that downward diagonal angle. That's one of my favorite striking angles of all time. When you make contact with this strike, you don't really want to strike with the fingers. That's not going to really do much. You want to be using the pad of the hand, or even better, the wrist bone and the beginning of the forearm bone right there. So when I come down on this strike, he just holds the pad out, and I'm going to go up and then down all the way through. It's a very powerful strike. If someone has their guard up, you can literally just strike that guard down, and now we have openings to eye jabs and other punches, things like that. So there you have it for this Fit Gamer fight move. Again, straight from Kung Lao, the 7-hit combo. It's called Chained Wind from the game. If you like this video, be sure to leave that thumbs up. Thanks to JJ for this one. Let's give him a judo chop. Yeah. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other videos in the future. If you have any questions below about these techniques or about the combination we got here, make sure to leave that comment down below. As always, game on, stay fit, and keep keep on training. Put those pads up, JJ. Come on, put them up. Yeah!